everybody, my name is Meenal Mahajan. Welcome to Over Here, a small tutorial I am going to give on how to plot coordinates or points on xy plane or Cartesian plane. Now, if I ask you to plot the points on the Cartesian plane, can you do it? Let me help you. The first step is to draw the axis, x-axis and y-axis. So, we draw two perpendicular lines. Here you can see the horizontal axis is x-axis and left hand side there is x dash, and vertically here is y-axis and below here is y dash. Okay, now you see this point where they intersect. Well, that is O, the origin. Here they are intersecting, so this is our O, origin. Now we are ready, but we still need to choose a scale. How do we choose a scale? It has to be suitable, right? The point I am talking about, let us consider that A is -2, -3. B is 4, 5. You can take any one, children. C, let us consider -3 and 6. And D, 7 and -4. These are the 4 coordinates. We have to plot these coordinates on this Cartesian plane. So in my previous video, students, I have already explained all the basic terms on coordinate geometry. So we know that this is a plane and due to x and y axis, it is divided into 4 quadrants. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4, anti-clockwise direction. Now we know where is that location of that point. Okay, now consider the first point A, -2, -3. So before that we have to give number here. So right side of the number line all positive points. So we are labeling here. Left hand side there are all negative points. You can say integer because integer contain the group of numbers with all positive points, all negative points with 0. Okay, like this. And on the vertical axis above the x-axis there are all positive points. Okay, this is sufficient. Now below there are all negative points. So children, I am ready now. This. Okay, now we are ready to plot the points on the graph. So take the example first, A, 2, 3. So where is that point? So -2 is the value of x coordinate and 3 is the value of y coordinate. So where is -2 first? Search it. Yes, it is the left hand side. This is -2. Where is -3? We know that on the y-axis negative points are below. So here it is -3. Now we are going to draw the perpendicular lines. Okay, this. So this intersecting point is our A coordinate. Okay, always you have to plot first x coordinate. Now take the second example, B, 4, 5. So 4 is the value of x coordinate and 5 is the value of y coordinate. Search, where is 4? 4 is positive, means it must be in the right side. Here is 4. And where is 5? Here is 5. On the y-axis positive points means here. Now we got 2 points. From that point we have to draw the perpendicular line. Here we can draw the perpendicular line like this, and this intersecting point is our B coordinate. Okay. Now C is minus 3, 6. So minus 3 is x-axis and 6 must be on y-axis. Where is minus 3? Here. So mark this point. Where is 6? 6 is positive on y-axis. Here it is. So we got the location. Now we are doing perpendicular on here. Here. So we got the intersection on point, that is our C. Now the fourth point is D, 7 minus 4. So children, first 7 positive on x-axis. So where is that location? Here. Minus 4, it must be below here. So from this point, need to draw perpendicular from 7 also. So this intersecting point is D. So children, this is the method. By using this method only, you have to plot the points on the Cartesian plane. Okay children, thank you.